Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix an HDMI splitter not working signal, port and power fix tutorial. Fix 1 is check the HDMI splitter power. Make sure the HDMI splitter is connected to its power adapter. Then plug the adapter into a working power outlet. Check if the power LED on the splitter is on. If the light is off, try another power outlet or replace the power adapter. Second one is reconnect all HDMI cable. Turn off your TV, then monitor and source device. Then unplug all HDMI cables from the splitter. Check the cables end for dust or damage. Plug the cables back in firmly until fully seated. Turn the device back on and test the connection. Third one is make sure the input and output ports are correct. Connect the HDMI cable from the source device, PC, gaming console or streaming device to a splitter input port. Then connect your TV or monitor to the splitter's output port. Verify that no cable are plugged into the wrong port. Fourth one is select the correct HDMI input on your TV. Turn on your TV or monitor, then press the input or source button on the remote. Select the HDMI port connected to the splitter. Wait a few seconds for the signal to appear. Fifth one is test each HDMI cable. Disconnect one HDMI cable from the splitter, then connect it directly between the source device and the TV. If it doesn't work, replace the cable. Repeat with the other HDMI cable. Thanks for watching.